How quickly things change. As we have all experienced, what was normal is not so normal any longer. At Scott Equipment Company, our leaders take the safety of our employees very seriously, and our customer safety is just as important to us. Moving forward, we will all be living differently and face new challenges. You work in an essential manufacturing industry, and keeping your production lines moving is extremely important. Scott Equipment Company is always here to support you, and we are taking our support for your company on the road with our new demo van. To ensure everyone's safety, we will only visit your site with prior approval. We will have a safety banner placed around the van and ask that all attendees participate in good social distancing practices. Our demo van is interactive, and we want you to get live experience with our collaborative robots and vendor products. If your company would like to verify if the robots can perform a specific task to meet your application needs, please contact your Scott Equipment Company account manager to discuss the requirements, or email us at sales@scotteq.com. Scott Equipment Company represents both Abu Robotics and Precise Automation collaborative robots. We have access to several gripper manufacturers, including SMC, Schunk, Robotique, Bimba, and more. Depending on your application, we will be able to show you pneumatic, electrical, and magnetic gripper solutions. The inside of our van has removable vendor panels. We designed the demo van that way so we can meet our customers' needs. If you would like to learn about specific vendors, we can customize the inside of the van to increase the value of our visit. We understand how important your time is, and we want to maximize it. If the need arises, we can take the panels to your coworkers if they cannot come out to the van. In addition to the robot demonstration and vendor panels, we also have several actuator demonstrations in the van, including Tolomatic, SMC, Linmont, and more. And finally, the van is stocked with the appropriate vendor literature. Be sure to contact your local Scott Equipment Company account manager. Call 1-800-222-2903 or email sales@scotteq.com to schedule an SEC demo van visit today. Scott Equipment Company can host a virtual robot demonstration and question and answer session if your organization would prefer this kind of communication. We look forward to hearing from you.